Hey everyone, my name's Alyssa. I'm a data science and AI intern here at the Aerospace Corporation. Join me as I take you through a day in my life here at Aerospace. Let's go. I start my day by mapping out my tasks and diving into some research on model interpretability. Next, I head over to our offices across the street to attend a tour of the Mechatronics Lab, aka the MRL Lab. This is the go-to laboratory for testing and evaluating control system hardware. Then I head back to my office to prep for a lunchtime session where we talk about some fun ways to apply advanced mathematics. Afterwards, I'll head to another tour. This time we're touring the STARS Mission Operations Center. This is where Aerospace monitors launches that they're involved in, which is super cool. Next, I'll head back to my office to get some more research done. Today, I'm working with a program called SOAP, which is an interactive 3D orbit visualization and analysis tool developed and maintained at Aerospace. It simultaneously predicts the relative motion of up to 100,000 satellites, ground stations, and more, using a diverse set of propagation methods. It's really fun stuff. After I gather my research, I meet with another intern to discuss my findings. We focus on how synthetic imagery quality metrics can enhance data realism. Next, I head back to our offices across the street to meet with my intern buddy. We meet once a week to talk about my internship. It's a great time to discuss career plans and future goals. Finally, I head to an intern event where we are building rockets that we are going to take out to the Mojave Desert and launch. Thanks so much for joining me today. What I love most about being an aerospace intern is that not only do I get to do the computer science work, but I also get to learn so much about other disciplines in the aerospace industry. See you next time.